told the teacher that my dog ate my homework, but it was really the robot.
That's hilarious. What did she say?
Race you to the classroom door. You're on. I'm definitely faster than you. And then the spaceship went whoosh right past the moon. It was the best field trip ever.
Wow, I hope we go next week.
Whee! Look at me go! Hey there, little buddy. Are you excited for your first day of school? Cargo! We are zooming past the buildings! This is the best day ever!
Consider this your only warning, pal. Move over!
Move it! I'm going full speed!
And they said dinosaurs were slow. Let's see them try to keep up now.
It's okay, little one. You're safe now.
This is gonna take a will, kid. Looks like you really pushed it this time.
Hold steady! I'm fixing this now. No matter what, this car will run again. Stay with me. I'm not losing you. Just one more weld, almost done. You'll race again, I promise.